Hello friends, in today's class it is chapter number 9. Now see, in last class we learned about the same chapter and that class we discussed about half, quarter of different shape and different number. And then we find out how many half are there in one quarter, how many half are there in one whole, how many quarter are there in one whole, and how many quarter make one half and how many half make one whole, like that. And then we find out the half number of the following given numbers. So see, in the continuation of that part, in today's class, find the quarter of the following numbers. अब आज की क्लास में भी हम यहाँ पर कुछ नंबर के जो क्वार्टर्स है, we will find out the quarter of some number here. So for example, first of all, see, find out the quarter of following number. So first example is 8 here. Now here we have to find out the quarter of half. So see, quarter means beta what? It is one part out of 4 equal parts. One part out of 4 equal parts. So see, 1 by 4 is quarter of 8. This is first step now. Then see, 1 by 4 into 8 by 1. 8 by 1. Now see, this is one fraction, this is other fraction. 1 by 4 into 8 by 1. Now here multiply 1 into 8, this 2 numerator in numerator, and then this 2 denominator into denominator, 4 by 1. Now see, 1 8s are 8 and 1 4 1s are 4. Now it is 8 by 4. What is this? It is 8 by 4. 4 2s are 8. So what is your answer? Your answer is here 2. So what is this 2? 2 is quarter of this 8. 2 क्या बेटा फिर आपका 8 का quarter है. Now number B. For example, see 24. Now here we have to find out the quarter of 24. The same way here, see 1 by 4 of 24. 1 by 4 of 24. Now see 1 by 4 into 24 by 1. Into 24 by 1. Now see 1 into 24 and 4 into 1. 4 into 1. Now 1 into 24 it is 24 and 4 into 1 it is 4. Now divide 24 by 4. So see here you can divide 24 by 4. Now 4 6 are 24. All of you know 4 6 are 24. So it is 6. Then what is 6? What is 6? The 6 is here. What is 6? The 6 is quarter of this 24. Now number C example. See, it is 36. Now we have to find out the quarter of 36. Same way, see 1 by 4 of 36. Here 1 by 4 into 36 by 1. 36 by 1. Now divide here like this. See 1 into 36 and then 4 into 1. 4 into 1. 1 into 36 it is 36 and 4 into 1 it is 4. Now divide 36 by 4. 4 9s are 36. It is 4 9s are 36. So our answer is here 9. So what is this? 9 is quarter of 36. Now number D, it is 150. See 1 by 4 of 150. 1 by 4 of 150. So see 1 by 4 into 150 by 1. By 1. So see here it is 1 into 150 by 4 into 1. By 4 into 1. So 1 into 150 it is equal to 150 and 4 ones are 4. So 150 divided by 4. So see 150 divided by 4. Now you can divide here. 4 3s are 12. Now 15 minus 12 it is 3. Then you put 0. It is 30. And now 4 7s are 28. Now it is 30 minus 22. Now we cannot divide this 2 by 4. So we have to put here 0. The decimal point. Then here will be 0 is 20. And now 4 is at 20. So our answer is here 37.5. Means 37 and half. The 37 and half is the quarter part of 140. 140. So this way we can find out the quarter of the different number. Now question number 2. See, here are some shapes are given here. Identify whether the shapes are divided into half or quarter. अब हमें यहाँ पे जो शेप दिया है बच्चों, शेप को देख के आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वेदर दिस शेप इज डिवाइडेड इनटू हाफ और क्वार्टर. तो सी नंबर ए, दिस इज होल शेप लाइक दिस and now it is divided like this. So see, it is divided into how many part? Two part. And this one part is half and this one part is half. So we can identify this shape is divided into half. Okay. Same way, this is one shape, complete shape. See, this is complete shape and it is divided like this. So it is divided into two equal parts. So we can write here again half. And now number C. See, this shape, this is complete shape here. This is what? Complete set, and this is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 part. So, and these are 4 equal parts. So you can write here quarter. It is quarters. Yes, and then see, this is what? Okay, and what is this? This is here now. Heart picture, heart shape like that. It is divided into 2 parts. So you can write here halves. Again, next one. See. This is triangle and triangle is divided into 2 parts, so you can write here half. And now see, this is one symbol, addition symbol. It is divided like this, and this is 4 part. 1, 2, 3 part, 4 part. So it is divided into equal 4 part. So you can write here it is quarter. Okay, quarter. So this way here we identify and write whether this given shape are divided into half or quarter. Now question number 3. See, it's very simple. Color 1/3 of each figure. So what is 1/3? देखिए जैसे आपने 1/2 देखा था अपना 1/2 it is half. 1/4 it is quarter. Now here we have to write 1/3. 1/3 means what? 1/3 means here see it is 1/3. 1/3 means 1 part out of 3 parts. It is 1 part out of 3 parts. It is called 1/3. Now here we have to make this shape. This shape is here. First of all, we have to make the part of this shape equal to denominator. So what is denominator here, beta? Denominator is here 3. So we have to make the 3 equal part of this shape. So okay, this is one shape. So we can make like this 3 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3 equal parts are there. And then there is one in numerator, means we have to color only the part which is given in numerator. So what is given in numerator? 1/3 means 1/3. The 3 parts are there. Out of 3 parts, we have to color 1 part. So you can color any 1 part out of these 3 equal parts. तो इस तरह आप यहाँ पर 3 जो पार्ट्स हैं, इन 3 पार्ट में से कोई एक पार्ट को कलर कर सकते हैं. तो आइए, आई विल कलर दिस पार्ट हियर नाउ. इस तरह मैं इसे कलर करता हूँ. तो सी it is 1/3. So what is this? It is 1/3. Next, see, this is circle. Again you make here now equal part. Make here equal part. See, 3 parts are here now. So out of these 3 parts, see here, you again 1, 2, 3 parts are there. So you can color any one part here now. आप इनमें से किसी एक पार्ट को कलर कर सकते हैं. So it is 1/3. It is 1/3. Next, see. What is this? This is shape here. Okay. Now it is divided into 3 parts here. Like this is divided into 3 parts. And now color any one part. Okay. So see, this is one color part is color here. यहाँ पर आपका एक part color किया हुआ है. Next, see this is one shape. Like this. Okay. Now see 1, 2, 3 parts are here. Now color any one part out of these 3 parts. Any one part out of these 3 parts. तो इन तीनों पार्ट में से आपको यहाँ पर कोई एक पार्ट कलर करना है. तो see in each shape 3 parts are there and out of 3 parts 1 part is color here. So we can write here 1/3. Here also see 1/3. Here also it is 1/3 and here it is also 1/3. Mean 1/3 is color there. Okay. Now 1/3 is color there. Now next question देखिए बेटा, question 4. It is question 4. See, color 3/4 of each of the following collection. यहाँ पर जो कुछ कलेक्शन दिया होगा उस कलेक्शन का 3/4 आपको कलर करना है. Means 4 parts are there. Out of 4 parts, 3 parts you have to take to color there. So see, this is first collection. This collection circle now like this. See. So how many are there, beta? 4 are there. So out of 4, it is 3/4. Out of 4, how many you have to color? Then out of 4, 3/4 you have to color, means out of these 4 circles you have to color any 3 circles. So this way it is 3/4. Okay. Out of 4 only we color 3 circles. Now number B, say it another collection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here we can write it is 3/4. Now here are 8 are there. If we have to color 3/4, 4 में से 3 color करना है, then how many steps we have to color here out of this 8 color to make it here 3/4. अगर इसको 3/4 करना है तो हमें 3/4 में से इसको कितना कलर करना पड़ेगा? How many steps? देखिए 4 में से 3 हो गए and then 4 में से 3, तो there total will be 3 plus 3. We have to color 8 here. Then color any 3 here, any 3, and then again any 3. So it is not required to come from this only, so you can do any 3. So देखिए confusion, it will be 4, 3 plus 3, 6. It is 4, 5 and it is 6. So see how many are color here? Here are 6 are color out of 8, so we can write 3/4. The 6 में से 8 means it is 3 में से 4. So these are both are having equal value. These are both having equal value. Now come to next questions. See, numerator and denominator of the fraction. Dear student, I already told you that in fraction upper part is numerator and down part is denominator. Okay, so see, upper part is 1/2 means 2 part are there. Out of 2 part, 1 part is this is half. So what is this beta? Upper part it is numerator. So I will write n for numerator and this part denominator, d for denominator. So this way here it is 1/4 means 1/4, 1/4 it is numerator, it is denominator. It is 3/4, 3/4. See, it is numerator and this one is denominator. So in any fraction you can write numerator and denominator. So see, upper part जो होता है it is numerator and down part जो होता है upper part is numerator and down part is denominator. So same way here it also it is numerator and it is what? Denominator. Okay. Next, okay. Now write the numerator and denominator of the shaded part here. So see, in this question, beta, some part are given here. So this is now we have to write here numerator and denominator of the shaded part here. So numerator means how many parts are shaded and denominator means total number of the part. So see, in this say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts are there. Now out of this 9, these parts are color here, shaded here. These parts are color are shaded. So see how many are shaded here beta? Then 8 are shaded. So what we can write? The 8 part are numerator and 9, total number of part is 9. So you can say it is 8/9. 8/9. So this is fraction for this one. Okay. Now next, same way here also. See, this is circle divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part are there. And out of 8, suppose these part are shaded here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 5 parts are shaded. So what we can write here? It is 5. So you see, it is 5/8. 5/8. Okay. 5/8. Now see here. Here total number of parts are here 12. Out of this 12, how many are color here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Suppose this is 5 and this one is 6. So these 6 are color. You can write here 6, then it will be 6 by 12. It will be what? 6 by 12. And last one, see, total number of part are 1, 2, 3, 4 part are here. And out of these 4 part, suppose this is color here. So you can write here it is 1. It is 1. The color part is 1 by 4. Color part here 1 by 4. Now next one. Now today's last question देखिए. See, it is last question. Now here we have to form what? Write the fraction whose numerator and denominator are given here. So see, numerator is 5 and denominator is 9. So मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा था बेटा, upper part is numerator, it is 5 and it is denominator. 5 by 9 means 9. 5 by 9, 5 equal part out of 9 equal part. Okay? Same way here, numerator upper में आएगा बेटा, upper part numerator 7 and denominator 7, 12. So here you can write 7 by 12. It is 7 by 12. Then see, numerator 14 and denominator 18. So again it is 14 by 18. And last में देखिए, it is denominator is here बेटा 21 and numerator is 18. So बेटा don't think that first number will be upper part. No, what is there? Denominator is given there first. So denominator we have to write here and the numerator is 18. So you can write here 18 by 21. So this way we can form the numerator fraction with the help of given numerator and denominator. Thank you.